Ethan, wake up. Wake up, son, and take a shower. You are having your first inspection today. You need to be clean.
Inspection? What does that mean?
It's very simple. Inspection means that you just have to sit and quietly and look.
What do I look at?
Well, I don't know. At something.
You don't know either. I'll explain it to you. I think that during the inspection you walk down the beautiful rails and everybody is looking at you, taking your photos and applauding.
No, I think that's a girly inspection. I want a manly one. Hey, what's happening?
We have an inspection today, but we have no idea what it is.
Is this your first time?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you're all really unlucky. Do you have an inspection? Of course. I'm surprised I'm alive.
What did they do?
First, they drive you to the flyover. Then, unscrew the wheels so that you can't run away. Then, they remove the lights. Are you scared? I would be scared too.
Where's Ethan?
I'd rather run away than suffer from that inspection. I'd rather go to a trip around the world instead of your inspection. I'll see the world and meet new trains.
Hello, Ethan. Where do you think you're going?
I'm going on a trip around the world.
Did you tell your parents? They will worry about you.
No need to worry. They shouldn't have sent me to an inspection.
I see it's the inspection you're afraid of. Well, it's not scary at all, and you won't feel any pain. And also, every train must go through an intense inspection, so that we can fix the defects, and they don't get into accidents. Do you get that?
Come on, you first.
Why me? You go first.
Huh? That's not how real men behave.
Hey, can I go first?
Uh-huh.
Ethan, you are a true hero. How was it?
It was fine. They said I'm a perfectly healthy train.
Well, everybody had an inspection. Let's go play now.
How about we play a game of inspection? And the first one can be Arnold.
Why Arnold again? That's not fair. I'm tired of inspections.
George, is that a mushroom on you?
That's not a mushroom, but my new invention, umbrella for friends.
You will get wet under that invention. I'm curious, where's the rain?
Rain, rain, rain.
When friends get under the umbrella, it increases in size. You can hide here too. There's enough space for us all.
I always hiccup when I'm surprised.
That was really, really cool. Even Arnold started to hiccup. Come on, Arnold. You infected me with hiccups.
Lightning is a very powerful discharge of electricity, and unmanageable electricity is very dangerous.
And very harmful. I once licked a battery and lost my appetite. And once a big hailstone fell on my head, and it was the size of a football.
And you lost your appetite, right?
No, I didn't lose anything. In fact, I got something. A big bump on my forehead.
Who will reach the rainbow first? I'll be the first. Sam Sparky the Rocket.
Oh, guys, it's so beautiful. It's so interesting how it feels.
Well, the rainbow is next to my house, right? It means the rainbow is mine. Wait.
Arnold's rainbow. Do not enter. Arnold, what's this?
What? There's only one rainbow, and a lot of us. And now there's dust all over my rainbow. I have to wash it. Wait! My rainbow! Don't leave me!
Now, Arnold. The rainbow belongs to everyone, not just to you. Like the air and the sunshine.
I'm sorry, guys.
Hey, George! Are you coming to play? Hey, George! Poor George. George got an electric shock.
Scary, isn't it? This is my new invention. It's called George 2000. He's my twin robot. He will do the house cleaning for me.
Oh, George! You're a genius.
How do you manipulate him?
With a remote. Just see this. George is good for nothing. Sorry, wrong button. Here, George is the most hardworking little train in the world.
I think the first phrase was a bit more accurate.
So you wanted to play outside? Okay, George, house cleaning mode. Okay, let's go now.
Well, well, the great Professor George. He created something special, a robot.
Good afternoon.
What is going on here, eh?
Can I water the flowers, please?
Kid, watering flowers is a very serious business. But I see you are a very responsible little train. Why don't you go on and do it? And in the meantime, I will take a nap, and I can really use one. Hey, what's going on now? George, what have you done?
Grandpa Billy, I brought you some cakes.
Grandpa Billy, what's going on here? Whoa!
Who's disturbing the peace here?
It's George. It's George. It's all his fault, I tell you.
Well, well. Where's this naughty kid then?
There he is. Stop him now.
George, here!
Oh, dear me. They're identical. Now tell me who made the mess in Grandpa Billy's garden.
It was all my twin robot. Honestly, it's not my fault at all. No, he is my twin robot. Liar, you are the twin. I am George. No, I am George. No, I am. 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 No, I am.
No, I am. No, I am. I am. No, I am.
It's me.
No, I am. Oh, sorry. Did you drop this? Run! Oh, George. What have you done now?
Now I know for sure, guys. I guess I have to clean my room by myself.
Hi guys. Oh, I'm terribly late for my dance class. Don't disorient me. How are you doing?
Hello there, Vera. It really is bad to be late. Therefore, we won't hold you back any longer.
And we're doing fine. We bought a new game called The Adventures of the Traisformers.
Oh, it must be shooting and stuff. And I like the game, with enchanted castles, a prince and a princess, and their wedding in the end, and...
Vera, how late are you already?
When I met you, I was late for 2 minutes. Oh no, what have you done, you guys? Now I'm late for 5 whole minutes.
Oh dear, what have we done, Ethan? We must help her.
Yeah, but how?
I've got an idea.
So if I understand you correctly, you want to stop all the clocks in Train City for 5 minutes? Is that correct?
Yeah, Mr. Clockface, please. Please, it's only for 5 minutes. Vera won't be late that way.
The Train City is so big, and 5 minutes aren't a very long time, you know. No one would ever notice. Oh, please, could you help us?
So what you're saying is that you think nobody would notice those 5 minutes, right? All right, then, let's just picture this for a moment, shall we?
La la la, I have guests today. Oh, it's time to take the cake out. It's been 5 minutes sharp. Oh! I'm burning! I'm burning! Water! I need water!
Oh, let's hear the weather forecast for today, huh?
And windy. It has been our weather broadcast for tomorrow. You are listening to...
Darling, I'm going to take a quick shower before work.
Remember, in 5 minutes, they're closing the water to repair the pipes.
I've got plenty of time, a whole 5 minutes. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, what's going on? Where's all the water?
Yeah. Mr. Clockface was right. Poor Mrs. Dove with her cake. And my dad, he was late for work.
And poor Grandpa Billy with the weather broadcast.
But George, what about Vera? We didn't help her, did we?
Hi there, guys.
Vera? Were you very late?
I wasn't late at all. I got confused. Actually, my dancing class is tomorrow.
Tell me, Ethan, who would be the most disoriented person in the whole of Train City? Huh?
I think that would be Vera.
Of course it's Vera.
Why aren't kids allowed to watch this movie?
Mom says it's not for kids. It's scary.
Nonsense. Hey, I got an idea. Let's make an elixir for adulthood. We can watch the movie then.
We need to try.
That's awesome. Hey, what's that? Elixir of adulthood. Oh, wow.
Boys, dinner's ready.
Mom is calling. Let's go. No thanks. I'm not hungry.
Sam Sparky.
Sparky. Oh no, Sam Sparky. That's not fair.
Hey, boys.
He's so grown up now. We should have been in his place.
What if he does something bad and blames us? He will say that we gave him the elixir.
What to do? Oh, I know! We must create an anti-elixir and sprinkle Sam with it, and then he'll be a kid again.
I see the victim. I am shooting.
Shoot him! Come to us again! What are you boys doing? We cleaned the shop windows. Well, it was cleaner before you washed it.
I really messed up.
We smudged the mud.
There he is.
What's going on?
We are sorry.
That's just horrible.
Listen, we will be punished soon if we continue sprinkling everyone except Sam.
But what can we do? We need to make him young again.
Maybe we should go to his house.
George, you're a genius.
Oof, what kind of stupid jokes are these?
Your elixir doesn't work. I waited for 3 hours, but they didn't let me watch the movie. I wasted my time.
What do you mean? Then who did we sprinkle with the anti-elixir?
Don't rush to grow up, boys. Everything has its time. I would love to play football or watch a movie, but I need to work. Oh, I gotta go. Dinner is over.
It's strange. Kids aren't allowed to watch movies. Adults don't have time to, so who watches them? Ready, set, go!
Good job. You have the best results.
Who would doubt that?
Sam Sparky is the leader of the competition after the second jump.
He is winning now.
It's okay. We have one more jump.
Arnold is getting ready for his second jump.
I believe that he can fly this time.
I doubt it.
Huh? Ah!
I can't believe it.
It's a failure again.
Arnold, where are you going? There's one more jump.
I don't want to try. I can't fly anyway.
Wait, I've got an idea.
Really?
These wings are way better now.
Are they this big because I'm fat?
No, you are just big.
Oink.
Hey, you look like a pterodactyl.
Try not to fly away.
I can fly. I can fly. Yay!
And now Ethan gets ready for his third jump. And Ethan loses to Sam Sparky. There are only George and Arnold left, and we will know who the real champion
Well,
is.
it's clear that I'm the champion. These kids could never defeat me.
Excuse me, George will not jump for technical reasons. And please welcome Arnold to his final jump.
George, what's wrong?
I can't open my wing. I think it's stuck.
But you had a spare one.
I gave it to Arnold.
I can do this. I can fly.
He is flying.
But does he know how to land?
The earth.
I can't believe it. Arnold is the winner of our competition, and Arnold gets the Champions Cup this year. Congratulations.
Hey, George, wait. Here, my prize is yours. If you didn't help Arnold, you would have won third or even second place. Take it. If George didn't help Arnold, you would have won second place.
George, take it. It's your cup. If you flew with these wings, you would have been the champion.
But I'm not sure of that. Then let's jump one more time.
Hooray!
Pam param pam pam. Pam param pam pam. Hey, George, wake up! My wagons. Hey, come on, the sun is high. Hey, are you still snoring? Still snoring, yeah. What? It's mine. What you made me do? Come on, don't take it so hard. What happened to make you come so early? To scare me to death? Look at you, my best friend. I couldn't wake you up. What did you dream about? Come on, tell me, huh? Where are you going? Oh, my wagons.
screaming that I was the strongest in town. And I thought to myself, it's so good, it's so very good to be a train. And then you came in and ruined everything.
I didn't ruin anything. Wagons are boring. You should have dreams that you fly in, as I do.
Again?
Yes, again. And you know what? I've been thinking of becoming a plane.
You what?
I need to know what it's like to really fly, you know? For now, these mind-blowing dreams don't let me sleep a wink.
Hey, don't be silly.
Hey, George, don't fail me. Please, I beg you. Can you think of something? You may not be the strongest train I know, but you're certainly the smartest of the trains.
The end of the trail.
No, it's not over.
You remember the theory, right?
Come on, it's easy. Clear the prop.
You remember the instructions?
I know, George. Stop bugging me. Let's do this.
What about safety rules? Oh, what about precautions?
Woo-hoo! Ha-ha!
Ethan! How's that?
It's scary. It's high and scary. I'm going all
What did I tell you about the instructions?
George! George!
What is it?
Do you know how to land this thing?
Yes, I do. Theoretically, that is. But I've never flown myself.
I flew. I really did. But only in my dreams.
You throttle down, Ethan. You extend the flaps.
In my dreams, it was much easier, though.
Ethan, you're not a plane. You are a train. Pulling wagons is not that bad, actually.
Yes, my dear friend. I think I'm getting it now. Hey, where are you taking my wings, George, huh?
I'm taking these to the trash.
Stop. Can't you see? Even a train sometimes needs to fly high. Can I have my wings, please? See you later, my dear friend. And thank you so much for my first real flight ever.
See ya. Those train or planes, who knows what's in their mind?
This is real cinema. It's not about cars or planes or stuff like that. It's much deeper than that. It's about us.
You know, I was wondering what movies this train took part in.
Well, he doesn't take part anymore. He's retired now. Arrival of a Train is the first movie in the history of the cinema.
This is why there are no good movies about trains anymore.
Hey there, guys. Why don't we make our own movie?
That is not an easy task at all. We need a writer and a director.
You're the smartest one here, George, so you'll be the director.
Yes, I will, Ethan. We'll make the best movie about trains.
Please help us. Please help us. Is that all? Hey, George, how come I don't have any more lines to say?
Ethan, you don't understand. Your part is very important. Roll camera. Action, go. You're walking and having fun. Vera, laugh. Evil villain kidnaps Vera now.
Show some pain.
Right, cut. Ethan, now Sam Sparky will pass you with kidnapped Vera, and you call Anthony. You'll be calling him for his help. And action.
Help me, please. Vera is in danger. I'll save her.
Stop! Ethan, you don't save her by yourself, you know. You just call Anthony for his help like it says.
Can't I do that? I can save Vera, you know.
Ethan, you must play your own role. That's just how I wrote this scene.
Help me, please, please. Help me. Oh, help me. Oh, our great savior, Anthony, please.
Not bad. Ethan, try to be more emotional.
Why are you so slow, Vera?
Because we're so tired, Ethan.
Yeah, someone didn't want to play the way they should have played in the scene, am I right? It's easy for you to say. You have all the main parts.
Ethan, we made the movie for the audience. Not for you, you know. And all the parts are important.
And you are not making it any easier. I didn't want to ruin everything. Give me one more chance. Please help me! Please help me!
Where did they all go?
To an abandoned depot.
Cut! That's great! Ethan, great idea about the depot.
Please help me! Please help me!
Where did they all go?
To an abandoned depot.
Wow, look at what a great job.
Now you see, Ethan, the main thing is to play your part right no matter